Queensland. It's Sunday the 19th of July and this is your weather forecast for the week ahead. It is a pretty stable week. There's no rain on the way for most of the state. So we'll go through day by day, but yeah, not much to look forward to this week except for some very cold and frosty conditions as we approach the end of the week. So let's get into it. All right, let's start here. This is the Monday daily rainfall totals. We have a bit of rain concentrated around the Brisbane region as that low pressure system that's sitting off in the Tasman and some strong onshore breeze is bringing a little bit of rain, 5 to 10 mils. By Tuesday, it dries out and we've got some rainfall arriving on the northern coast region, 5 to 10 mils, but likely just light showers. Same for Wednesday. The rest of the state is dry. Dry Thursday, dry Friday, dry Saturday, dry Sunday. Okay, so it's dry, it's stable. We have this big blocking high pressure system, which is meaning we've got a lot of radiative cooling at night time, but temperature now because there's some interesting stuff happening down in the south of the state. What I want you to see first is because we have this high, we've got radiative cooling at nighttime, but we also have here southerly convection, bringing very cold air onto the mainland, and it comes all the way and extends up into Queensland. So that means, let's zoom in. In this south, we are getting regions in the -5 to 0 degrees on Saturday morning. Now, there's a bit of uncertainty around that, of course. The forecast is a little bit far ahead, but as you can see, there's this large pocket of very cold air, 0 to 5 degrees, and then this pocket again, 5 to 10 degrees. So we're getting really cold overnight temperatures Saturday. It's a little bit on Friday, but mainly Saturday. So Saturday, you're going to see frost and fog across Queensland. Definitely something to note. Now, this is not associated with strong wind. We're looking here at wind. It's calm, it's stable, which means, again, we're definitely going to have some frost and fog with that associated on Saturday. Something to pay attention to. All right, let's look at our town in focus this week, which will be Texas. You can see is on the New South Wales, Queensland border here, and it's going to be in that very cold pocket Saturday morning. So let's see what's happening. All right, start of the week, highs 23, 22. We're getting those cooler lows, 5 degrees, 6 degrees, 5 degrees, 3 degrees. Saturday, -1. Let's open her up. All right, no wind, very cold temperatures, poor spring conditions, and some extreme frost risk. On Sunday, we also have that frost risk, and on Monday, a little bit of frost risk as well. What about Friday? Again, Friday as well. So this is really interesting. Southern Queensland, wide scale frost risk, multiple days at the end of this week. Yeah, quite concerning. It gets warm in the day, 19, 17 degrees, but that's really cold overnight minimum temperatures. Good thing is, though, that that's not associated with a lot of wind. We're seeing the wind gusts here in the grey. If it's grey, it means no wind, no wind, no wind, no wind. So what that means is that's unlikely to become a sheep grey disease warning, but it will be frosty. That's it for the Queensland update. Dry and stable in terms of moisture, but cold air coming towards the end of the week. Be safe and have a great week. We'll see you next time.